Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials. The laptop runs a supported OS and you have admin rights. Once verified, open the built-in browser you already have. Click the address bar and type Chrome Download to find the official installer. Make sure you choose the official source. While the file downloads, close other programs to free RAM and disk write access. You're preparing the system for a clean install, which reduces errors and speeds the final steps. You now run the installer you downloaded and confirm any security prompts. When asked, approve permissions so the installer can write files and update system settings. This is why admin access matters. Choose the default install unless you have a reason to change locations. Once installation begins, watch the progress bar and avoid interrupting the process. If the installer offers to set Chrome as default, decide now. Once done, the browser will launch and perform any first-run setup automatically. You finish by opening Chrome and signing into your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This restores your setup quickly. Make sure to enable safe browsing and review extension permissions for security. If Chrome won't launch, relaunch the installer after clearing temporary files and rebooting. This resolves most permission or file lock issues. If problems persist, run the installer as administrator or check disk space. Once Chrome runs, customize the home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.